We have a question today involving an accident with a truck driver. Joining us as always are award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, make sure you freshen up here with your drinks.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we've got a tough question for you today, all right?
We're ready.
All right, I think they are. Let's get to it. This one is from Gary in Dallas. Says, I was T-boned by a truck driver last week. He spoke no English. I now find out he was an illegal alien and had a criminal record. I want to sue his company. Can I? This sounds like a really complicated situation here for Gary in Dallas.
Well, Gary, it's actually not that complicated if you get to a lawyer who knows what they're doing in handling tractor-trailer crashes, because the tractor-trailer company has an obligation to comply with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations. One of those says that the driver must be able to read and understand English. So you're going to ultimately be able to hold the company responsible for the actions of its driver, and it's something called vicarious liability. You may also be able to have a direct action against that company because they hired that guy should have never been on the road. Number one, he can't read and understand road signs. Number two, he has a criminal record. Number three, this guy has covered all the bases. Should never have been on the road.
Yeah, and the thing, the way the question's written, it's saying he didn't speak English. So what we're going to have to do is the attorney would have to dig into the company records to find out whether or not he can actually read and understand English, because that's really the requirement. So, because he has to be able to read the signs as he's driving throughout the United States of America. So that's the issue. So that would have to within the documents of the company, and that would be something we would get through a lawsuit, and we would be able to determine whether or not that's the actual case. And then obviously anytime if you're T-boned intersection, he runs a light, he's going to be liable. You obviously need to get to a law firm that can handle this type of case, get the medical treatment, get the records that you're going to need, and get the case worked up the right way so you get a good result, especially if you're seriously injured.
All right, unfortunately accidents like this happen every day. So our viewers who may be in a legal situation need your help, how can they get in touch with you?
They could call us at 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
You nailed the web today.
Thank you.
Or go to our Facebook page. And if you have a question, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment. Or go to the web and check us out on the web, because Greg loves the web.
Love the web.
All right, we love the web here on The Law and You. Of course, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Results matter with these guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
You got it.
Can't
All
wait.
right, PAHomepage.com or the hotline, your ways to feature your question on The Law and You.